Okay guys, today, second week ng workout natin sa shoulder, traps, and core. Hindi ko na pinakita yung core guys, workout natin. So let's go! Okay, first workout natin, 2 set and 15 reps. Second workout natin, 2 set and 15 reps pa rin. Third workout natin, 2 set and 15 reps. Okay dito guys, 2 set and 15 reps. Okay guys, pang limang workout natin. Same pa rin, 2 set and 15 reps, left and right yun. Okay, pang-anim na workout natin, dips, 2 set and 12 reps lang. Okay, yung huli nating workout para sa traps, 2 set and 15 reps, hold nyo lang siya ng 3 seconds bago nyo ibaba guys. So let's go!